So as always, I start off by outdrawing the injury with a white eyeliner so it will be easy to erase or redo. If I would mess it up like I do a lot. Once I have done that, I bring out my Mastix makeup glue and start applying it as a base for the rest of the makeup so it won't fall off or come off. When the glue starts to get sticky, I apply my Color Soft Putty and applying it inside the wound. And this will give the injury more texture and also make it look more realistic. Life goes by fast, will it slow down? We got older, where did it go now? Back in time when all we had was you and me. After that, I mix up my favorite silicone and also adding some powder to make it my skin color. Then I start to apply it around the pink putty, and as always, it's really important to blend out the edges. I also make the inside of the edges, like the edges closest to the open wound, a bit more rough looking. Now I bring out my transparent powder and apply it all over the silicone to make it less shiny. Then to make the wound look fresh and irritated, I take a pink blush and dust along the edges. Now to give the wound some more depth, instead of just painting it black like I did before, I use dark and light coagulated blood and applying it on the inside of the wound. Then to finish it off, I apply some dark theater blood and just makes it all messy. And that's it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe for more videos coming every week and let me know what you think of this video in the comments below.